Okay, so I've been considering a UV printer for a very long time. If you followed me for a while, you know I've talked about it a lot. LogoJet sent me some samples to look at. Now, this is not an advertisement because I haven't committed to anything. I haven't bought anything. If I do, I will be buying it, so it won't be like a sponsored thing. But I just figured I'd show you, just so you could see what it's capable of. First of all, this is the printer that I'm looking at. It's pretty big, not as big as my laser, but that's okay because I'm not making giant things. I think it's like 24 by something, 18 by 24. Here's my favorite thing in the whole box, and I'll tell you why. I know that you can't feel this, but it's textured. How cool is that? I don't know if maybe you could see it. Can you see that it's textured? That's my favorite thing in the world. I don't know if that makes it difficult or if it costs more money. I know nothing about this machine other than that I want it. Here's the back side of it, of, you know, just a picture of a beautiful woman. This is on like some kind of foam. Really beautiful colors. This is a cork coaster, like MDF and cork. And then what else is in here? A tin. What else? What else? Here's some kind of acrylic coaster. That's Jersey. Can you hear Jersey? I'm so sorry. There's a golf ball. Oh, Jersey, stop it. Can you see that? Wait, can I be like a 2000s beauty influencer? Does that work? And then it's even got like a little thing in there. Oh, here's another raised thing. I don't know if you can tell. This is raised. See? And then poker chip, also textured. I really would love to know how much extra work and how much extra ink and money it costs to do textured. Like if there's a difference, I'm just very curious about it. Because I really like that. I feel like I could use that a lot, but if it takes like an extra however long, you know, I'm impatient. And lastly, a water bottle. So this printer just prints right on things. It's not like one of those where you transfer it to paper and then you take that paper and you transfer it to whatever you want to put it on. This just prints directly on whatever you put in there. Again, I don't know how easy it is, how difficult it is. The only thing I know is that I want it and I like it, and I think it could really help business-wise, but you know, I like my toys. So I really like this. Look, it's like shiny. How'd they do that? So I just thought I'd share with you. You guys have a UV printer at home? If you do, tell me what you have. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. You know, I'm interested in all. Let me know.